Grab project, gravity assisted pulse motor, two-stage oscillator configuration update. Let's see, the new boards arrived, or the delay on time boards have arrived, and 1001, 1002, yeah. So anyways, the resolution on the potentiometer that adjusts the delay time is not accurate enough, and so these boards clearly won't work with for this application. And with all the other problems plaguing this configuration, we're going to pull out the ace in the hole configuration, which is the rotating 10-pound weight drop that's configured on a one-way bearing and triggered by or powered by a windshield wiper motor. We'll replace the windshield wiper motor with a pulse motor, and we should have much better results and not have to deal with so many problems because of our knowledge with the heavier wire on the electromagnet that was clearly shown in previous videos. We'll still be able to keep the 12-volt system, and all the parts have been fabricated, so it should be just a simple matter of assembly at this point. And then we should be able to test what's generated at the output and compare it with what's being used at the input. So at this point, that's the plan, and I'll post results when available. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers.